ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣೇಶಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣೀಯಂ. ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣೇ ನಮಃ. ದಶಕಂ 82. ಬಾಣಯುದ್ಧಂ ನೃಗಮೋಕ್ಷಂ ಚ. ದ ಫೈಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಬಾಣ and the liberation of Nriga. Bhagavata Skanda 10, chapter 61, verse 20 to the end of chapter 64 is summarized in this dashaka. Shloka 1. Pradyumno Rukmineyaha Sakhalu Tavakala Shambarena Hritastam Hatvaratya Sahapto Nijapuramaharad Rukmikanyam cha dhanyam Tatputro atha aniruddho Gunanidhihi avahad rochanam Rukmi pautrim Tatrodvahe gatastvam nyavadhi Musalina Rukmi api dyutavairat. Word by word meaning. Tavakala, a part incarnation of thine. Rukmineyaha, Rukmini's son. Saha Pradyumnaha Khalu, that Pradyumna, indeed. Shambarena, by Shambara, an Asura. Ahritaha, was kidnapped. Tam Hatva, killing him. Shambara, Ratya Saha, along with Rati. Nijapuram, to his own city Dwaraka. Aptaha, he returned. Dhanyam Rukmi Kanyam, the fortunate daughter of Rukmi, named Rukmavati. Aharat cha, carried away also. Atha, then. Tatputraha, his son. Gunanidhihi, the virtuous. Aniruddha, Aniruddha. Rukmi Pautrim, the granddaughter of Rukmi. Rochanam, named Rochana. Avahat, married. Tatra, Udvahe, to that marriage. Tvam gataha, thou didst go. Musalina, by Balarama. Rukmi api, Rukmi also. Dyutavairat, in a quarrel during a game of dice. Nyavadhi, was killed. Full meaning. Rukmini's son Pradyumna, a part incarnation of thyself, was kidnapped by the Asura named Shambara. After killing Shambara, Pradyumna returned to Dwaraka with Rati. He also carried away Rukmavati, the fortunate daughter of Rukmi. Then his son, the virtuous Aniruddha, married Rochana, the granddaughter of Rukmi. Thou didst attend that marriage. Rukmi was killed there by Balarama in a quarrel during a game of dice. Note: after Kamadeva was burnt by Lord Shiva, he was born again as Pradyumna. As he was born to Lord Krishna, he is mentioned here as a part incarnation of the Lord. As soon as he was born, he was kidnapped by Shambara and thrown into the sea. He was swallowed by a fish. That fish was caught by a fisherman and was cut by Shambara's cook for making a dish for Shambara. Then Pradyumna came out of the belly of the fish. He was secretly brought up by Rati, the wife of Kamadeva, who was staying in the house of Shambara. She recognized Pradyumna as Kamadeva reborn. Om Tat Sat.